Today's sourdough Sunday. Today I'm making pizza dough. First, in a large bowl, I'm going to add 135 grams of active starter. Next, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of salt. Next, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of olive oil. Then I'm going to add 280 grams of warm filtered water. Next, mix that up. Then add 475 grams of unbleached bread flour. Next, mix that up until the dough forms. Then cover the dough and let it rest for 30 minutes. After the 30 minutes, I'm going to do my first round of 3 rounds of stretch and folds, which just means I'm going to lift up the dough and place it on itself and then cover the dough back up and let it rest for 30 minutes in between each round. Now I'm doing my last round of stretch and folds, then I'm going to cover the dough back up and let it rest for 8 to 10 hours or until it doubles in size. Now the dough has doubled in size, I'm going to flatten it out and then I'm going to roll it up into a ball and then I'm going to cut the dough in half and I'm going to make 2 pizzas with it, or you can make 1 large pizza. Then I'm going to take each half of the dough and roll it into a ball, and one of the balls I'm going to freeze because I'm only going to make 1 pizza today. Then with one of the dough balls I'm going to flatten it out into a circle shape. Now I add the pizza dough onto a lined cookie sheet. I'm going to make a white pizza today, so I'm going to add scoops of ricotta first. Then I'm going to sprinkle some garlic powder on top of the ricotta. Next I'm going to sprinkle some shredded mozzarella cheese and then bake this at 450 for 15 minutes. This is what the pizza looks like when it came out of the oven, and now I'm going to cut it into slices. Here's an up close look at the pizza.